The book of Genesis is the first book of the Old Testament in the Bible and serves as the opening chapter of the Bible's narrative. It is a foundational text in both Judaism and Christianity and is known for its profound theological and historical significance. The book of Genesis begins with the story of creation. It describes how God created the universe, including the heavens, the earth, and all living beings over the course of 6 days. God then rests on the seventh day, blessing it as a day of rest. The book introduces the first human beings, Adam and Eve, who are created in God's image and placed in the Garden of Eden. They are given dominion over the earth, but are forbidden from eating the fruit of the tree of knowledge of good and evil. They disobey God's command. This act leads to the first sin, bringing about a curse on humanity and the expulsion of Adam and Eve from Eden. The story of Adam and Eve's sons, Cain and Abel, illustrates the consequences of jealousy and sin. Cain becomes jealous of Abel and murders him, becoming the first murderer in human history. God decides to destroy humanity due to its wickedness, but chooses to spare Noah and his family. God instructs Noah to build an ark to save himself, his family, and 2 of every kind of animal. After a great flood, Noah and his ark survive, and God makes a covenant with Noah, symbolized by a rainbow. Humanity tries to build a tower that reaches the heavens, but God confuses their languages and scatters them across the earth, leading to the origin of different languages and nations. Genesis focuses on the lives of key patriarchs, starting with Abraham, whom God calls to leave his home and go to Canaan. God makes a covenant with Abraham, promising to make him the father of a great nation. The focus then moves to Abraham's son Isaac, his grandson Jacob, and Jacob's 12 sons, who become the ancestors of the 12 tribes of Israel. Genesis concludes with the story of Joseph, one of Jacob's sons. Joseph is sold into slavery by his jealous brothers, but eventually rises to power in Egypt and ultimately saves his family during a time of famine. Genesis provides the foundational stories of the Hebrew people and their relationship with God. It sets the stage for the entire biblical narrative, including the subsequent books of the Old Testament. The themes of creation, sin, covenant, and the origins of the Israelite as a chosen people are central to the book.